You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's have fun today and learn how to pronounce very confusing words in English that come from French, that confuse many people, but they are used in English quite commonly, so it's good to know how to pronounce them. The top word comes from French nuisance, but it's usually pronounced in English nuisance. That's the British English pronunciation, nuisance. In America, the Americans say it as nuisance. The bottom word comes from French as well, moustache. Moustache, pronounced in English as moustache. Because it is French, it's not a ch sound, it's a sh sound, and it's not moustache or moustache. Moustache. Moustache with a stress on that second syllable. So, nuisance and moustache. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.